Welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 23rd of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantec Markets. Let's look at this Euro chart, and Euro is under pressure. After 3 days of sort of not really going anywhere and consolidating, Euro started to fall back again. I've been talking quite a lot about this RSI failing to make it over 60, and that was a concern of mine all throughout this period here, the fact that it was never really sort of pushing into positive momentum, and it's just now falling away. RSI now back at a 2-week low. Stochastics turning lower, MACD lines looking as though they're about to turn lower, although you wouldn't get too worked up yet about the MACD lines, but certainly the momentum is under pressure now, and it certainly looks as though the euro is coming back to maybe test some supports now. You've still got this pivot level around 110.50. 110.50 to 110.65, so that is still your key medium-term pivot level. But near term, you've got, let me just unwind that. You've got the breakdown of the support at 1290 that we've seen overnight, and that move has now completed a sort of top pattern. And that top pattern gives you a sort of, if you took it as measuring the right hand high, you'd say maybe about 110 ticks to the downside, and that would actually give you a retreat back towards sort of 1180 area. So you're sort of talking about certainly a test of the 12 figure level, which is, I think, a key sort of old support level, sort of pivot level, 12 figure, but 1180 seems to be that target from that small top. You've now also broken this uptrend on the euro, and interestingly also today you've broken it and sort of consolidated around it and then fell away again, so that would suggest that it is resistance area. So 12 on the rebound, that 1290 area is your resistance now on this euro chart, so that's about 50 pips up from here. However, you'd certainly say that it looks to have rolled over near term. Momentum indicators now pushing on 30. Look at the MACD lines. MACD lines consistently now falling away below neutral, so that would suggest your momentum is under pressure, and it certainly looks like, I think you're going to get a test of this 12 big figure level. That's only 40 pips away, but it certainly, you could even see a test of 1150. 1150 is your key near term level. That is your key support near term, because certainly if you break 1150, you're back towards a test of those sort of that pivot range, as I spoke about earlier, 11 sort of 110.50 to 110.65, sort of 15 ticks worth of key sort of pivot level. So it looks like we could be coming back towards that on the euro. Now that uptrend is broken on the euro, I mean, you could even sort of extend that uptrend and make it into an even sharper move, but certainly, yeah, certainly whatever you do with that uptrend, it has been broken, and the rebound through June has now rolled over due to this sort of correction that we've seen overnight, and pressure is on to the downside. So near term, 100 ticks down on the day, certainly you'd be looking at selling into strength, I think, on the euro. Ideally you may be looking at 1290, but it certainly looks like the euro is under pressure. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.